First, we have to draw the head. After you choose the brush, draw the head. You can follow through, and I'm going to draw the sides, the cheek, and then the other ear. And as you can see, if you after the stroke, if you stay a little, it adjusts the lines to look better. And I'm drawing this Pikachu on the left top corner. You can see how I drew a circle, and when I wait, it turns into a perfect circle. Okay, I did the round things inside and inside the eyes and the bottom part and the nose and the mouth. Okay, I'm done with his face and the cheeks, the red part where electricity comes out. Don't worry about the proportions that much because later we're going to fix it. Now I'm going to draw the arms and the fingers. Don't worry if it looks a little weird, and then you'll get better. The sides and Pikachu's feet. I didn't draw exactly the same, so I will do. I have to fix it a little later. And then tail. The tail is quite easy. Just need straight lines. It's very angular. And then, okay, I'm going to fix that a little to make it a little slimmer because, for the balance, to balance it out with the right side of this body. Of course, it's not perfectly balanced, but don't worry. And I'm drawing the toes, and I'm going to erase that part, and then the other side, I'm going to draw the toes as well. And I'm increasing the size of the foot. It's a little smaller compared to the left one. And drawing the toes again. And okay, I'm adjusting the size again, so I'm erasing and making it look better. Actually, it looks like the toes actually protruding out, right? And then, okay, I can fill in the color, black, like that. Okay, and then now, okay, this is the part where I used the warp. You can use the warp, and then you can see how I'm adjusting the proportion, the ratio. The warp is very useful. You don't have to draw and erase again. See? It looks way better now, right? And now we're going to, double check if there's anything. And then, yes, we forgot that, so I put that part on the tail. Now I'm coloring with automatic fill, the bucket, and I'm getting the colors, the sample, and then I can fill it in by using fill, and that's the shadow. For the shadow, I can erase the outline. In this video, the thing that you must consider most is the warp feature. In other videos, I'll show you other techniques, how you can draw, but this is the basic drawing method. You can use other things like layers and stuff, but in this video, I'm not going to make it that complicated. Okay, I'm going to fill in the shadows. Okay, I have to fill the shadows in like I did before. The shadows are all filled in. Now it's done. Okay, so you can subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.